Welcome to Landforms Central. This is a fun game that will help reinforce your knowledge of some of America's major land features like rivers and mountain ranges. Click play. So you see on the left side right here, we have a scrolling list of some of America's most important land features. We have rivers and mountain ranges. So the idea is to drag and drop these to their correct places on the United States map. So let's start here with the Mississippi River. Now I know that the Mississippi River starts in Minnesota and flows all the way out through the Gulf of Mexico and Louisiana. So I'm going to click and drag the Mississippi River. I'm going to drop it right in the middle of its course. And you see it pop up here, and it includes an icon of the Gateway Arch in St. Louis, Missouri, one of the river's major ports in my birthplace. So next we're going to take the Missouri River, which I know flows it flows from the Mississippi River all the way into Montana and forms the borders of states like, or parts of the border of states like Iowa and Nebraska, and then goes through the Dakotas to Missouri. So let's drag and drop the Missouri River right about here. And you see the icon now we have is that of a meadowlark singing in the Badlands of the Dakotas, or maybe that's the Great Plains. Next we have the Ohio River. So let's drag and drop the Ohio River, which is born here in western Pennsylvania, where I grew up. And it flows into the Mississippi River. And you see here we have an icon of what is known as the Duquesne Incline, which climbs up a part of Pittsburgh known as Mount Washington. Let's do a couple more. This is the Colorado River, which starts near Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado and flows out to the Gulf of California. So I'm going to click and drag. Let's drop it right about here. And you see we have the icon of one of the arches in Arches National Park in Utah. As you see, the Colorado River actually also goes to the Grand Canyon. Let's do one more. Let's go to one of the mountain ranges so you can see what that's like. Let's do the Rocky Mountains. We know the Rocky Mountains is a range that occurs in Colorado, Wyoming, and a few other states. So let's drag and drop. Actually, I have the Potomac River there. Let's take the Rocky Mountains itself, drag it, and you see you get your Rocky Mountain icon. This is an icon of the Grand Tetons, which is a mountain range just south of Yellowstone National Park. Anyway, this is how you play Landforms Central. If you get all of the landforms in their correct locations, you can print out a certificate featuring one of the 12 or so landforms that you can learn in this game. So try to collect them all. This is how you play Landforms Central.